Good afternoon, fellow traders. Black Coffee Trader coming to you on a Friday afternoon. It is December the 1st, and this week has come to an end. I guess we'll call today a good day. Green on the evals, had a really good day on the evals, and I did lose money again on the PA. I'll talk more about that in a minute. Had a green week despite blowing some evals this week. We did have a green week overall, so I'm pretty happy with that. These two accounts at the top that are red, I thought I had blown those yesterday, and this morning they were still here. So, but they were almost gone. And first trade, those didn't survive. So it is what it is. I thought they were gone, and we're not even going to really worry about them. But had some really good trades on these evaluation accounts, which were getting closer and closer to getting them passed. We're at 51,293, 51,296, 50,570. We've got quite a few accounts that are above the 50,000 mark, which is good. Our 150K is back almost to 150 after being underwater quite a bit. So I wanted to talk about a couple trades today. I had really, I traded well. I was only trading the morning. I was gone for pretty much all afternoon. And there's some lessons in that, but I'll talk about that later. I had some really good trades this morning. I took an early market trade that was a really nice winner. And then on a different account, I was trading these four. I had a big loss and then had another good win on the same account. And then right here, I traded the open and caught a nice winner and brought this account, this 150K account, back into profit, which was good. And then again, had a couple more good trades throughout the mid-morning here. And then I was watching this. I had a little winner and a loss, and then I was kind of frustrated with that. And we had this chop thing going on, and we had these, here I think was a 30-point candle. This was almost a 30-point candle. But I was watching this trend. I hadn't drawn this on here. I was just watching this, and I was thinking to myself, I'm going to put an order in at the 15,950 mark. And if at that time this wick was forming up here, and I said, if this thing hits, we're on this trend line, it's probably going to go up. This was a trend line, support resistance line, I should say, this blue line that I had drawn earlier. And I just felt like I'm on trend. We're bouncing off that if I get filled. By golly, I got filled, and I had a really nice trade. That's really where I made back all this money here. I think these accounts were, actually they were in the red when I took this trade because of this loss right here. So I made all that back and had a really nice trade there. That's where those accounts ended. So I was really happy with how I was reading this market and had the patience to allow this chop to kind of pass and take a look at the trend. I mean, I could have been wrong. Sometimes you're wrong, but all indicators seemed to point that this thing was going to rip up. Put in a buy order, got filled, and boom, had a nice winning trade. So I love when things come together that way. And then I was gone for pretty much the entire day until the end of the day, and here we come to the PA account. We had this massive chop, and I was watching this, and I think I got back somewhere around when this was happening. We started consolidating, so I entered a short here. Actually, I entered it down here and just kind of scalped my way there. And we had these couple big candles again. Like, I can scalp again. I caught another little winner. I was up 78 bucks. Well, this thing was getting very volatile. There was no news. I don't know what happened, but I decided that it would be smart. Whoa. I decided it would be smart. And here again, see, we have this level that I had drawn I think I drew this level a couple days ago. And we bounced off this 1610 area 1, 2, 3, 4 times. But I was too stupid and had a couple wins and getting greedy. Decided to enter here. As soon as I enter this candle, this big, what is this? 1630, 1605, 25 points. I entered, and this thing dips and immediately shoots all the way up, takes me out on the way. Like, it took probably 1/10 of a second to take me out on a loss there. And of course, then I was frustrated. I was down, I don't know, 100 bucks or something like that, 120 bucks. And then I watched this thing kind of consolidate up here at the top, and I thought, I'm gonna enter long again. We're gonna keep going. These were all short trades, short. And of course, what does it do? But it pulls back and takes me out again, and I end up at a $334 loss. I think my GAT is set at 375, but I had no desire to keep trading after that. Just, I know better. I mean, I guess when you play with fire, you get burned, and there we go. Yeah, I knew better. I should have just been happy with these. These were lucky trades. I was obviously scalping, and it can just completely go against you, especially in this volatility, and I'm not that good at that. So anyway, that's how the week ended. But we had a green week despite the below devals. I think I mentioned that earlier. So I'm really happy with the direction things are going. I mean, yeah, we had a red week on the PA. I had 2 red days and 3 green days this week, and we ended at just under 49,500, which is not terrible. But obviously, hopefully next week we can get on the horse and do a lot better. So that is that. Let's look at Trademetria. Really like this. Really like this journaling software platform since I've been using it. So here we have the accounts where we're at. We are on today. We had a profit of $865. I think it was $11.99 on the evals and a negative $334 on the PA account. But in total, our accounts, you guys can't see this because of my banner, but in total the accounts are up $3,100 in totality. So that is good. Kind of see the trend that we've been on and slowly digging our way back out of this hole, which is good. Looking at the calendar, actually it's going to only show today because we're the first day of the month, and on all accounts, yeah, up 865. So in any case, but happy with where we're at. Again, not happy with the PA trade today, but no use crying over spilled milk. We just move on and we attack it again next week. So all right, wish you the best of luck. Please like, subscribe, comment if you have any comments, and trade well and enjoy your weekend. We'll catch you all next week.